Good afternoon, YouTube. We have another helpful hint from the getting stuff done in the pickup truck, in the shop, in the garage, in the house, digging, concrete, sawing, chopping, stapling. Here's the pickup truck. Now, just the other day, I was coming home from the grocery store after stopping at the hardware store, and there was a bunch of plywood in the back of the pickup truck. And I stopped at the grocery store and I got a couple bags of groceries. And if you ever put your groceries in the bed of your pickup truck and you're rolling around, your groceries end up usually rolling around all over in the back of the pickup truck unless you do something about it, a cargo net or whatever. But this is a cheap little idea a buddy of mine gave me a few years ago. Check out the tires. The tires, most of them, a couple of them, have had their sidewalls cut off. I just cut them off with a utility knife. They're very flexible, right? You can use them for bumpers or you can use them for other things. Same thing with this one. This is actually a motorcycle rear tire. This is a car tire. It's a steel belted tire, but the sidewall had no belt in it. And so the utility knife cut right through it. Once again, this is very flexible. You can use it as a bumper back here. Here's another motorcycle tire. This one I left the sidewall on, but I used a hole saw and I drilled 4 holes right in the deepest part of the sidewall. And I did the same thing here on the back side so that it doesn't hold any water. And you can see in here that right there, that little hole drains all the water. You can see where some water's been in here. But the nice thing about this one is you can put pipes in here, like 10-foot gas pipes or steel pipe or electrical conduit. You can jam end of it in there, run it back and lean it up against the back of the tailgate, and it's not beating the inside of up the inside of your pickup truck bed. So tires are free, and if you put a bag of groceries in there, it won't wobble around all except for inside the tire. Another helpful, cheap hint, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.